Hey everyone. So this is the project idea for real-time face recognition web application. So this project involved guest login and unknown face detection and authorization, and it has also a feature of recognizing the database persons. Okay, and in case of any unknown person identification, it send or trigger uh, alert mail to the admin. Okay, so to go to the dashboard, first you need to do a login with the admin account. Okay, so once you logged in as a admin account, so for so this is our basically main dashboard which we have implemented. Okay, and it has different features, like it has some statistics. uh, as we can see, we have two user, one guest, and 10 detection which happens till it. Okay, so this is a live camera feed where you will be able to see your live camera feed, and this is the recent detection key. Whatever recent detection has done, that will appear here, and it will get automatically reflect or a refresh in every second. So any unknown person or known person detection happen, so it will appear here. Okay, similarly we have alert report section where you can able to download the report, and we have active guest key. If we have certain guest which supposed to be detect and which supposed to be come, okay, in certain campus or anything. Okay, so that we can also manage. Okay, so first you need to create a user. Okay, to recognize some person, first you need to create a user account. Okay, so as we have two accounts, so let me just delete everything, okay, from the system, so that we can go from scratch. Okay, so as you can see, I have deleted all users. Okay, so first we need to add a user. So let's create a new user by clicking on add user button. Then you have to provide the information key, whatever username is there, or whatever gender or dob, whatever thing you have to mention, you can mention. It's depend on you. Okay, and same you can mention email and mobile number, and then you need to click on save user. Once you click on save user, so this particular information will be get stored in database. Okay, and after that, here it will ask to upload the Sahil Agram Sheikh photos. Okay, either you can upload face images or you can capture it from camera. Okay, so my suggestion, to get a better accuracy and to get a accurate result, you should be go with camera. Okay, to capture images from camera. Okay, because uh, detection and algorithm training will depend based on lighting condition. Okay, so if you click photos from camera, from your laptop camera, so algorithm will able to get understanding, more understanding, as your camera have certain megapixels, it captures certain lightings, everything, right? So it depends. So we can directly click on start camera, then it will start the camera, and then whatever you are comfortable with position, you can just capture the photo, and then you have to click save photos, and whatever photos you will capture, it will show it here. Okay, and minimum you have to capture, at least upload or capture minimum 5 photos to get better accuracy or get better result. Okay, so that is must. So you can capture with different angles. Okay, and save it, or different background also you can capture to have a better algorithm understanding. Okay, so as I have almost click 5 photos, so I'll just make it 10. I think that will be enough. Okay, so as you can see, we have almost captured 8 photos. Okay, so once you captured 8 photos, okay, so then you have to make sure you have to click train model. Okay, so train model is basically there we are training the algorithm. Okay, so once you click train model, so in the backend it will do the processing. You no need to do anything. It will handle it automatically. Everything it will handle automatically. Okay, so you have to just click on train model. You can also check the progress here. Okay, either you can wait for this or else you can go for further step. Okay, so now let me go back to dashboard. Okay, so now if I go back to dashboard, then it will load the models. Okay, but you have to make sure, okay, once this training complete, then only you will able to do the recognition. Okay, as of now you can say training is completed. Okay, if you have large data set, then it may take large time, okay, more time. So that you have to make sure. Okay, just let me now we have come to dashboard. Okay, so let me start the detection. Okay, as of now, see, everything is showing unknown as we have deleted all the data set. Okay, and this is basically 142. So as of now is happening 1920. Okay, so let's start the detection. So once you click to start detection, so as you can see it has started the recognition. So as you can see it has recognized me as a Sahil Akram Sheikh. Okay, because we have just trained the model. Okay, and it has a very what you can say a good accuracy. Okay, it will detect very perfectly. So it has, as of now you can see it has detected me as a Sahil Sheikh. Okay, so as of now it has recognized as a known person. Okay, okay. So similarly, let's suppose show some unknown person photos. Okay, so it will continuously detect you. Okay, if you found multiple times in 30 seconds, then it will do the again entry. Okay, so we have created a gap of 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds it do the recognition. Okay, because if you do every second, then it will you will have the list of alerts in multiple times. Okay, that's why we have keep 30-second gap. Okay, similarly you can click to this show face boxes. If you click here, then it will don't show the boxes. If you click, it will show the detection box. Okay, similarly now let's show some unknown person photo. Okay, I have SRK photo, so let me show SRK photo. As you can see here is as of now there is, as of now, see it has detected me as unknown because my face is not visible. It is detecting my face, but I have my face is not properly visible, right? Similarly, let's show Shah Rukh Khan photo. Okay, it take time. Okay, at least 20 to 30 second you have to give. As you can see, we have shown this SRK photo, right? And it has detected is an unknown because SRK we have not trained model on SRK, or we have not added SRK as a user, right? So as you can see, SRK has detected as unknown, and now again it is recognizing me as a Sahil Sheikh as I am visible properly. Okay, so now let's go to the alert section. Whatever alerts has detected, as you can see, recently unknown entity has detected. So this is the unknown entity. So if you want to check the particular entity photo key who has detected, you can simply click on view. Okay, so in the view button you can see key who has detected, if unknown or known. Okay, similarly this one. So as you can see, unknown face had detected who was SRK. Okay, so this way you can check the alerts. Okay, or also you will get the mail. Okay, if you check the mail, you will get alert mail. As you can see, I have got one alert mail of unknown detected, and this is the image. Okay, key who was detected. So this way it detect the or recognize the person and send the alerts. Okay, so similarly let's now add a SRK as a user. Okay, so I have some images of Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, put random numbers and random things. Okay, and save the user. So let's upload the photos of SRK. I have some photos which I have downloaded. And make sure कि if you are uploading some images, so it should be recent images. Okay, it should be not images कि you are uploading some childhood images and you are trying to suppose to algorithm to detect कि some uh, young or recent photos. Okay, so it won't detect if you are uploading child images, so it won't able to detect the young particular photos of that person. Okay, so that you need to mention, as we don't have such any algorithm that will detect such thing. Okay, or if you are uploading Aadhaar card images and you supposed to detect from DSLR images, so that won't be happening. Okay, so yeah, we have uploaded the existing SRK images. So first you need to train the model. Okay, whenever you add a new user or deleting you anything, okay, you need to train the model. As you can see, algorithm need to be retrained, okay, on new data. Okay, So as you can see, as of now it is training on my data set, and now it has started for understanding from this particular srk images. Okay, so yeah, training has completed. Okay, now let's go back to dashboard. Okay, and show the srk images, and let's see it will it able to detect. As of now it was able, it was detecting as an unknown. Okay, now let's try to show the srk images, and let's see. So now I am showing the srk images. Okay, so as you can see, it has detected srk images as a srk. Okay, so this way the system will detect or recognize. Okay, so as you can see, there is no, and here you will be only able to see those entries who are detected as unknown. Okay, as we have to trigger alerts for unknown, right? So we have created a history. Okay, similarly now we have a guest module. Suppose there is a candidate who as coming as a guest, so we have this calendar kind of a view. Okay, here you can add a new guest. Suppose I am adding a new guest. Okay, and here you have to select a person. Suppose I am selecting srk as a guest, and you can select the date, timeline, from when to when you supposed to treat this person as a guest. Okay, so I'm supposed to take as a from 6 to 7, and then you can you can put any purpose. Okay, depending on you. So as you can see, we have created Shah Rukh Khan as a guest for 6th. Okay, and in the bottom you will also able to see the details, or you can also able to delete it. Okay, now let's go back to dashboard. Okay, so if you are doing certain activities continuously na, then I suggest do refresh your dashboard. Okay, because sometime uh, when you supposed to add some user nut, so that add user screen take camera access. Okay, so that's why you supposed to refresh this dashboard. Okay, or else you can, for the better accuracy, you can just do the logout and then again do the login. Okay, so let's now try to detection. As we have created srk as a guest, so till at srk was detected as a recognized as a known person. Okay, initially it was as a known, then we have made as recognized or known person, now we have made as guest. Okay, now if I show the srk images, so it's supposed to detect srk as a guest. Okay, okay, so as you can see, now it is detecting srk as a guest. Okay, as because we have added as a guest. Okay, so here you can also see the list of active guests. Okay, so this way you will be able to do the complete flow. Okay, and once you come done with the flow now, I suggest to stop the detection. Okay, so that it will release the camera access. Okay, so now this way we have done the user section, guest section, alert section. Okay, and we have also added some report module. So if you click to report module, then you will be able to download that particular day report. Okay, in the csv format, and then you can open the csv. In csv, then you will be able to see the all status, key who was detected, was what was the status, etc. Okay, so as you can see, this is the recent logs. Okay, so these are the details. Okay, for the same. So same way we have added some setting section. From setting section you will be able to update the admin email and etc. Okay, and remaining information. Also if you want to change admin password, you can also do the same. Okay, so yeah, this all about your project. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.